Okay, let's get an intro and then start tearing this truck apart. Think we can do that? Are you guys ready? My headache's starting to go away, so we're doing good. Welcome to the channel, everybody. My name's Sam. This is Garrett, my buddy Tommy. It is going to be 3 guys, 1 truck today. I personally took most of everything off this truck. I pulled the engine, transmission. We got to take the doors off and we got to pull the dash out. That is like the only thing left to take out on this truck. It is an original automatic 1997 Dodge Cummins, factory 12 valve. This was my grandma's old truck and it's finally back in the shop so that we can go through it. It's going to have a 5, maybe a 6-speed swap. But in the meantime, we need to gut the interior. And we'll start by pulling these here doors off. What do you say there, Tommy?
Get her done.
Garrett, what do you say?
Only one way to get warm.
Where's she at? Get in there, Garrett. Break it gently.
Oops. That turd flying everywhere.
Hey, don't throw it on the ground, throw it in the trash. Oh, poor Dash. You guys just take yourself, go back in time, and remember, my grandma paid $37,000 for this truck brand new. I don't think she's got the heart to see what it just became of it that last minute, but...
Oh, she'll like it when it's done.
Yeah. We got a long ways to go. Get this dash out of there.
Time to get there?
Now we got to start unplugging some stuff. But I just want to show you guys them ripping apart the dash because, I don't know, I was entertained by that. Watch out, Garrett.
Alright, Garrett, you ready? Tommy, you ready?
Yep.
Brother, come on, brother, get out.
Alright, let's set it on the back here. I don't know if, like, this part is still...
Still what?
It's still in 2 pieces. The other part is in many, many pieces. But I don't know if you replace this. I know you can replace that top shell, which I'm going to do, obviously. I'm not going to try and glue that other crap back together. But as far as the replacement part, that part gets covered up, but it feels structurally sound. What would that take us? Like an hour to pull that thing out?
Last probably 40 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I mean, there's 3
Got
of
some
us.
cleaning to do.
Yeah. Definitely wasn't the... My grandma used this truck for what it's designed for. Do you know what it's designed for, Tommy?
Hauling?
I don't know.
Groceries?
Yeah.
To church?
Grocery, getting pretty much anything that your heart desired, she used this truck for. Is it even filming? Yeah, alright.
Yeah, you can.
But, unfortunately, when it broke down, it sat out in the weeds for 3 years. And Mother Nature tried to take it back, and we got lucky and got to it before Mother Nature formed. Quicker work out of it with these two gentlemen helping. It's funny, everybody is harping on why I haven't started on this truck. It may be a complete truck, but there's so much work that needed to be done to this, just on like the cleaning aspect of it.
And once you're going to start doing any of it, you really want to get in and do every little detail of it, or else it's kind of pointless to do it.
But I mean, I'm glad I'm starting it finally. We're going to be down for a week or more. Garrett's going to be with, he's a school teacher, so they shut down the school. So Garrett, when you got nothing to do, bud,
Yep. You wanna
just start working on a truck.
Out from both sides?
Yeah.
Pulled the whole air conditioner heater core unit out of here. I think I'm just going to source one of these off eBay or something, or if you guys link below a place that might sell this whole unit brand new, because it's pretty filthy. And that's the main reason I've been avoiding it, is because, like I said, Mother Nature has, came back to it. But now that the truck is just down to a shell. Oh, what are you doing? Straight cutting?
Yeah. What?
What are you doing cutting it?
But don't look over here. You said we were getting rid of it?
Yeah, but I was going to put it in your truck.
No, my truck's not good.
Yeah, it's going to need one now because I'm going to steal it out of your truck. Man, that's a nice sharp blade you got there. Where'd you get that from? Dang. Tractor? Is that going to fit in there, or you just want to throw that outside? Just throw it outside. Throw it outside in the neighbor's creek. You got the door? Alright. But I mean, looking at it now, you're right. Without all this junk in there, the essentials of heat and air conditioning and radio and computer and stuff, it is looking quite a bit cleaner.
Covered, it won't be a soggy mess when you go pick it up later.
That one out there?
No, that one.
What?
There's trash in there.
It's all burnable for this. I was
Oh.
keeping it dry. Should have threw it in there. All the loveliness. Oh, it's bad. We gotta use a pry bar to get the crap.
To get 20-something years of stuff out of it?
Yeah. Huh? Back for today. I gave you that penny out of. It'd be fun just to show. It was bigger than your head, but.
I handed down from your grandma.
Yeah. Look at that. Truck hasn't been this clean since '97. I wonder if this thing was built in '96 or if it's actually legitimate '97. This truck's a 4 of '97, and then we just bought today is a 10 of '97. I think my red one's somewhere in that ballpark too. But here she goes. Completely gutted, ready to turn into a race truck. No. Little race truck, the soon-to-be green truck over there. If you guys haven't seen that one, 94 5-speed. Gonna be coming back to life pretty quick. But as far as this one goes, we made a pretty good jump on it. Still got to take the roof liner out. I got a new door for it already. Gonna ditch that one, not because it's red, because it's bent up. I'm happy with today's progress.
I'm happy too.
And it's not every day that you wake up, you have your, I don't even remember what I had. Oh, I had a piece of square pie.
Square pie.
Had a piece of square pie, went and bought a 98 12-valve 5-speed, and then come hung out down here at the shop with my two buddies and gutted a, what's this one? 97 12-valve. There's too many numbers here. Too many numbers. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Starting on Grandma's truck. I know you guys were been out of shape because it's been sitting for a while, but like Tommy said, you get started in a project like this, it isn't just wheel it off to the side. This one's full on. As soon as the doors come off, you're committed. But I have a lot of time this week. If you're not going fishing tomorrow.
That was the bumpers.
Huh? Oh yeah, the bumper's coming. They still got the back bumper on. That was on the list, but anyway. See you guys on the next one. Hit this subscribe button, like this video, share for Garrett. Later on. See ya.